Amidst the development of fifth-generation fighter jets and modern drone technology, the defense world was shocked by Turkey's renewed modernization and reassembly of its McDonnell Douglas F-4 Phantom fleet. This legendary fighter jet, which once dominated the skies during the Cold War, is now receiving serious attention from the Turkish defense industry. Inside of high-tech military hangar, the F-4 Phantom's reconditioning process is being thoroughly carried out. Every part of the aircraft is disassembled and inspected in detail. The wing structure, fuselage, hydraulic system, and even the jet engines are inspected using modern scanning technology. Turkish technicians utilize a digital inspection system to ensure there are no microcracks in the fuselage. Several outdated components are being replaced with new, lighter yet stronger materials. This step aims to increase the aircraft's durability while maintaining supersonic flight performance. The cockpit has also undergone major changes. The old analog panels have been replaced with multifunctional digital displays. Pilots can now access real-time flight, radar, navigation, and target data through a modern avionics system. This modernization makes the Turkish F-4 Phantom significantly more capable than its predecessors decades ago. One of the F-4 Phantom's key strengths is its high-powered jet engine, capable of propelling the aircraft to speeds above the speed of sound. The twin turbojet engines provide exceptional thrust during takeoff and combat maneuvers. In the latest reconditioning program, the engine system was thoroughly overhauled. Technicians replaced various critical components to ensure optimal engine performance. One of the main focuses of the modernization was upgrading the combat electronics system. The outdated, previously limited radar was replaced with a much more sophisticated system. Modern radar allows pilots to detect air and ground targets from greater distances with high accuracy. In addition to radar, Turkey has also upgraded the electronic warfare system on its F-4 Phantom too. The aircraft now has improved capabilities in detecting enemy radar threats and conducting electronic jamming. An encrypted communication system has also been installed so the aircraft can connect directly with command centers and other combat units on the battlefield. This technology allows for faster and more efficient combat coordination. As a fighter, the F-4 Phantom II is known for its enormous weapons carrying capacity. It can carry air-to-air missiles, air-to-surface missiles, smart bombs, and various types of rockets. Turkey has modified its weapons mounts to be compatible with modern domestically produced and NATO standard ammunition. With these capabilities, the Phantom can carry a variety of missions, from precision strikes to destroying strategic targets, while Turkey continues to develop new generation fighter aircraft and advanced drones. The F-4 Phantom II remains strategically important. This aircraft can be used as a heavy attack platform to support large-scale air operations. Furthermore, the Phantom's presence also helps maintain the Air Force's combat readiness while awaiting the arrival of next-generation aircraft. With comprehensive modernization, the aircraft's operational life can be extended for several years to come. The decision to retain the F-4 Phantom II demonstrates Turkey's pragmatic strategy to strengthen its air force without relying entirely on expensive new aircraft purchases. During the modernization process, the Turkish defense industry has begun using more local technology. Electronic systems, communications equipment, and even some types of weaponry are produced by domestic defense companies. This is part of Turkey's efforts to build a self-sufficient national military industry. By being able to modernize fighter aircraft independently, Turkey can reduce its dependence on other countries. The success of this project also demonstrates the rapid advancement of Turkey's military engineering capabilities in recent years. The F-4 Phantom II is not simply an old fighter aircraft being retained. In the hands of Turkish engineers, this legendary aircraft has been transformed into a modern, yet deadly, combat platform. The combination of a robust classic design with new electronic technology creates an aircraft that remains competitive in a variety of combat scenarios. This modernization proves that age is no barrier to a military platform's relevance. Turkey has successfully demonstrated how a legendary fighter aircraft can be given new life through innovation and high-tech engineering. From modern hangars to supersonic airstrips, the F-4 Phantom II has once again proven itself to be one of the greatest icons in the history of global military aviation. This Turkish move proves that classic fighter aircraft can still have high combat value when combined with modern technology. The modernization program also demonstrates the Turkish defense industry's ability to extend the operational life of heavy fighter aircraft, renowned for their durability in various battlefields. The F-4 Phantom is one of the most renowned fighter aircraft in the history of military aviation. Designed as a multi-role fighter, the Phantom is capable of performing air superiority missions, strategic bombing, reconnaissance, and close air support. Its top speed, capable of reaching Mach 2, has made this aircraft highly respected for decades. Turkey has operated the F-4 Phantom II since the 1970s. Despite its age, the aircraft's basic capabilities are still considered very robust. Its large fuselage structure allows for the installation of various modern electronics, new radars, and the latest generation of weaponry. The refurbishment and modernization program is being carried out to ensure the Phantom fleet remains relevant to the challenges of modern warfare. Turkish technicians and engineers are making major upgrades to its navigation systems, radar, communications, and precision strike capabilities.